Adzviser makes it easy to get in-depth insights in minutes, not hours. And you can connect all of your marketing data to Google Sheets without restriction.
You can get a full view of your performance in just a few clicks. Just choose which data source you want to connect with Google Sheets. You get unlimited accounts for each data source and unlimited queries and refreshes.
That means you can pull cross-channel data into a single location. For comprehensive in-depth reporting, you can share with your stakeholders. They even have ready-made templates so you can visualize, model, and analyze your data more efficiently.
Plus, the Google Sheets add-on is available as part of the subscription plan at no extra cost.
It's not just enough to have access to your data. You need better insights to help you make decisions. With Adzviser, you can harness the full power of your data using Google Sheets. You can streamline your analysis by pulling in data from all sources, turning it into a single destination of truth. You can focus on the metrics that matter the most to you, and you can get better insights on your performance so that you can adjust your strategy and boost your ROI.